the bones speak. Hey! Sky turn black, walking where the spirits track. Every step a broken chant from a word I don't understand. Djembe calling through the mist, like a fist I can't resist. Ancient rhythm in my chest, won't let me ever rest. Something's moving underground, in every silent heavy sound. I can feel it pulling me into what I'm meant to be. Bones of the rhythm shout, turn this inner chaos out. No more doubt, no way out. Let the tribes break out, break it down. Let the word shake hard. Break it down like a burning star. Smoke and iron fill the air, still I feel them everywhere. Voices buried in the ground, in the rhythm I am found. They try to bury what I am, but I rise like I was damned. Every beat a loaded gun, I am not the only one. From the silence comes the storm, from the broken we are born. Every echo in the night turns to fire, turns to fire. Bones of the rhythm shout, tear the old world down. We don't back down now, we own this sound. Break it down, let the earth unfold. Break it down, from the stories told. No chains, no control. We are more than just a soul. From the dust we rise again. Feel the fire in the bones of the rhythm shout, we are what it's about. No fear, no doubt, let it all break out. Break it down, let the night ignite. Break it down, we are the light. The rhythm never dies. Listen! The ground is breathing. Listen! like it knows my hidden pain. Moonlight carving on my face, lost inside a sacred place. Every rhythm, every tone feels like calling me back home. Something ancient wakes inside, like a storm I cannot hide. From the silence to the scream, breaking through my every dream. Hey, fire beneath the skin, let the tribal war begin. Hey, no more losing, no more sin. Feel it rise within. Break it down, let the earth shake loud. Break it down, we are one, we are proud. Break it down, let the earth shake loud. We are one, we are proud. Concrete jungle, iron skies, still the rhythm never dies. In the chaos, in the fear, ancestors are always near. Every beat against my chest feels like I was born for this test. No more running from the sound, I let the spirit drag me down. From the dust we rise again, through the fire, through the pain. Hear the calling in my soul, taking back what I was told. Hey, fire beneath the skin, feel the power creeping in. Hey, let the darkness spin, this is where I win. Break it down, let the drums take flight. Break it down, into blood red night. Break it down, let the drums straight flight. Into blood red night. No chains, no control. We are more than just a soul. From the fire we are made. Never fall, never fade. Fire beneath the skin. This is where we begin. Let the spirit win. We rise again. Break it down, let the world collide. Break it down, we survive inside. The fire still lives. Yeah, the fire still lives. Rise. Da-dum, 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 da-da, yeah. Da-dum, 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 da, yeah. Hey. 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 Ba-da-dum-bum-bum, 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 hey. I walk through ashes, I walk through steel. Every scar reminds me I feel. City screams, but the drum replies like a thunder buried in the sky. Broken systems, broken minds, still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swinging a war machine, something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just the sound that conquers all. We are the sound that conquers all. Neon bleeding on cracked ground, still I worship that ancient sound. Every strike of hand on skin feels like revolution within. Guitar cries like falling rain. Bassline carries all the pain. From the dirt to skyline high, we are born to never die. Feel the rhythm take control. It's rewriting every soul. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. Hey! Rise, break, ignite in the dark, we claim the light. From the roots we take our stand, drum and steel across the land. No control, no machine. We are the sound between the same. Earth and fire, blood and stone. We rise up, we're not alone. We are still in sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar. We are something so much more. No chains left, no final call. We are the sound that breaks it all. We are the sound that breaks it all. Feel the ground wake up. Strike. a single fight. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never dies. We rise up through the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Call the earth, call the fire, feel the rhythm rise higher. Tribe, rise, loud, bright, bright, rhythm and glow. No silence in this ground. We are the ancient sound. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never dies. We rise up through the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Hey, 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 ancient hands, modern flame. Still we call, still we claim. Whew. Whoa. Broken glass on sacred ground, still I hear that ancient sound. Djembe crawling through the smoke, like a truth the city broke. Steel and concrete, bone and wire, every step feeds the fire. Record swing in the metal storm, something raw, something burn. Feel it rise beneath your skin. Let the chaos pull you in. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We are the sound that never dies. Streetlights flicker, spirits dance, lost inside a violent trance. Bassline crawling through the pain, like survival in the rain. Every drum hit shakes the wall, echoes of our primal call. From the roots beneath the ground, we become the sacred sound. Hear it echo in your chest. Nothing here will ever rest. We are the rhythm of the fallen city, beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living inside the same old dream. No escape, no disguise. We intensity. Beautiful, broken, loud and gritty. Djembe, thunder, guitar, scream. We are more than just a dream. No chains left, hey, hey, no disguise, hey, hey. We are the sound that never dies. Shadows in the light, smoke and fire in the air, freedom screaming everywhere. Roots friendly but the rage is near. Two worlds crash when I appear. Heartbeat tribal, electric soul, lose control, let it roll. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant the seed. From the ashes we ignite. Kick drummers, I feel it shake. Every move is give and take. Steel and wood in collision sound. Rebel spirit all around. Skank step mixed with rage inside. No more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise. We are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame. Nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant the seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. carving truth in the overload. Reggae wine through broken walls, calling out when the empire falls. Every strike on the ancient skin says the war is about to begin. We are not what they design. We are rhythm, we are sign. From the earth and from the flame, we will never be the same. Iron roots, revival in the sound. Reggae art and metal bound. Djembe thunder breaking free. This is our rebellion sound, rebel spirit all around. Scan step mixed with rage inside, no more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise, we are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame, nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside a dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant a seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Boom, boom, earth collide. Engine power amplified. Skank it low, smash it high. Feel the storm inside your mind. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. We are the storm that will survive. Ancient, future, one sound. Yeah! Listen! The ground is breathing. Aye. 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 Smoke rising from the burning sand, footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe